Oh, I did. I burned the pizza, yeah. A French bread pizza. But did you do the dishes today?
Yeah, because I needed to get that bowl.
Yeah, I know, but what soap did you put in here?
This. Oh.
Yeah, Madeline, I once thought that went in the dishwasher many moons ago. And by many moons ago, I mean like...
Peter ate my pizza!
Oh, dear. By many moons ago, I mean
But
like
that's
a few years ago.
Put in. I hate this stuff.
You can't put that in the dishwasher.
Go back.
Connor, you can't put that in the dishwasher because this happens. Okay?
It's soupy, like it's supposed to be.
No. Yeah, that is gonna, when I did it, it totally overflowed into the kitchen.
Yeah,
Yeah, let's not do that again.
it's soupy, like it's supposed to be.
No.
Yeah.
That pizza's hard because I burned it.
Understand, Peppa.
So now we have to find a different meal.
I only had to eat this much left.
Well, what? Okay.